Good evening, guys. Welcome to my kitchen again. So this evening, if you can see, I'm going to go ahead and prepare some callaloo and saltfish and some. I have 2 pieces of bammy right here. So this is the saltfish I'm going to use. I already soaked the saltfish that I'm going to use, but this is what I took it out of. This is salted pollock fillets. You also have salted cod. So I guess I can say you have different variations of saltfish, but essentially it's saltfish. This is what I had gone ahead and soaked instead of boiling. So what happened is I don't like the smell of saltfish when it's cooking, or should I say boiling, to get the salt out. It smells horrible. And so based on that, I decided, my mother actually told me I could. I didn't know this. If anybody else knew this, kudos to you, but I didn't know this. You can actually soak the saltfish in some water with brown sugar and vinegar. So what I'm going to know is to go ahead and get this out of the way, because I don't need that no more. Just wanted to show you guys, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and chop up piece of onion, piece of the bell pepper, some tomato, and this whole stalk of scallion. And unfortunately, I don't have fresh callaloo, so I'm going to have to use this. So that, yeah, great callaloo, and it's in salt water. So I'm going to blanch that off a little bit with some hot water. And this right here is the bammy. For those of you who don't know, it's compressed cassava. It's really good when you soak it in some milk and you fry it. Some people steam it. Yeah. Like, it always depends on what your preference is, but I prefer it fried. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that up as well and put it to soak in some milk, so that by the time I'm ready for it, it's good and, juicy and ready to be fried. So you guys, my veggies, see? Are we ready? Are we ready? I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up. Alright guys, so what I have here is my chopped onion, chopped up a piece of the tomato, and also a piece of the bell pepper, because I really don't need a lot since it's such a small portion. What I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to cut up the bammy and put it to soak in the milk. So I still have that right here. And I have my saltfish. I have to pick up the saltfish, so I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. So, let me see if I'm missing anything. No, that's it. So I just have to go focus on those 2 things right now, which is picking up the saltfish and putting the bammy to soak. I will be right back. This is what the bammy looks like cut up. A piece of it actually broke off, I guess because it's kind of dry. Yeah, I probably had it for too long, who knows. Oh wait, this is what it looks like. I'm about to pour the milk on it. Right? So you pour enough to have the milk cover the bammy, so that absorption can take place. See that? Nothing fancy. Just set up your bammy like that. I'm going to set this to the side so you can start soaking up all that goodness. And start focusing on the saltfish now, so I'm about to start picking this apart. Alright guys, saltfish time. So like I said, I soaked this in some, it was hot water. I didn't mention that part. I don't know if it has to be hot water, but I used hot water with the brown sugar. I think it was about a tablespoon of brown sugar that I used, and 3 capfuls of vinegar. If I was supposed to give an estimate, yeah, I'm really guessing right there. So I'm about to pick this apart. It's not hard. All you gotta do is flake it, because it's flaky meat, so it separates quite easily. Okay guys, this is what it looks like flaked. See? So all you do is pick it apart. Nothing hard. You know, get the size that you want. You can leave them like in big chunks or smaller. If you're feeding a lot more people, you may want to break them apart smaller so it spreads more. But I'm the only one in this house who eats ackee and callaloo and, you know, all those things. So, and the saltfish, especially the saltfish. My husband hates the saltfish. So it's gonna be just me. So I have my saltfish here and my veggies here. In my kitchen I only use canola oil. Whatever oil you use, stick to your oil. And of course, I told you guys this is my baby. Love this thing. Absolutely love it. I have crushed pepper, because I don't have any fresh Scotch bonnet pepper, and the pepper that I do have is like bird pepper. That's too hot, because I think I'm not gonna put a lot of this either, because I'm trying to get me to eat callaloo. Wish me luck with that. And here I have my black pepper as well. Let that saute for like a minute or so, and then I'm gonna add the saltfish. Smells so good, guys. Yeah. Beautiful, right? It smells so good. Turn this a bit. If you wish, you can go ahead and use your spatula or whatever you're comfortable using. Don't follow me. Out. Hey guys. It smells so good in this kitchen right now. Look at that. So as I mentioned in previous videos, I don't cook up a lot of oil. Really and truly, I don't like to. But if you prefer, you can use more oil for this. But I don't want to. Alright guys, I'm about to add the callaloo. And I had it draining, so this is what it looks like. You see that? Alright, let's go. Straight from the strainer. Dump it right in there. Here's bammy. If you're curious about bammy, you can just ask somebody to get some for you, somebody possibly at a hotel, or if you know you're going on your excursions and whatnot, you can ask the driver if they can find somebody that have bammy for sale. Fried bammy looks like I have it on a piece of paper towel right now because I wanted to get rid of some of the oil. So it's, as you can see, it's absorbing some of the oil. I'm not a huge fan of oil. You can take it out little sooner than I did. I think I had it frying for probably 6 minutes or 6 to 7 minutes on each side because it was on medium heat, so it wasn't cooking very fast. So if you want it softer, because it's a little bit harder now, because once you start cooking it, it starts to get soft. So if you prefer